So here we are driving through the Daintree rainforest. Fortunately it's not raining. Still lovely and warm, blue sky. Got to go reasonably slow because there's cassowaries and they're chicks apparently. And they're quite dangerous, so don't go near them. So here we are, Daintree rainforest, and we're going to do our first walk along the boardwalk. Just want to have a quick look at this tree. I don't know what sort of tree it is, but it's just the roots. They're like real thin and like really deep. It's quite impressive. Like legs, Belle said. Kind of strange. But we are in a 180 million year old rainforest, so I guess that's just the way they grow now. Well, here we are. This is the in the rainforest now. Look at these beautiful trees, huge leaves. Sunlight peeping through. All very nicely done. A lovely boardwalk to walk along. Everyone stays on the same track. Probably not wise to go off the boardwalk anyway. There's lots of things out there that want to eat you. So we'll just creep along here quietly. Are you creeping along quietly, Bells?
Yes, I am. My slippers are slipping.
little curly root. And over here, look at these spikes. Oh, that one. I don't think much will be climbing up there in a hurry. Minimal disturbance. Awesome. Eel-like tail catfish, and then we pull up on this bridge and heard a big splash. Something in there. Oh, there's fish down there. Oh, that may be them then. Oh no, it's proper fish and just his tail.
Oh yeah. Basking.
In that little bit of sunlight, yeah.
All that noise.
Belle's just said all that noise, but there is some noise. But like some forests we've been in and jungles, it's been deafening. This definitely isn't deafening. There's a few birds.
It will be later on.
And that's about it. But like I say, we've been in some jungles where you can't actually hear yourself talk because insects and bugs are so noisy. I dare say it changes throughout the day. Maybe they're all having their siesta. I am now. These are where the mangroves are. All the mangroves.
Yeah.
Roots everywhere. There's water in there too. A little bit in the distance. All very impressive. So the water in there will be salt water. They like a bit of salt water. So we've been walking along the Daintree walking track. I don't know if that's the proper name, but if you follow it all the way around, it's a loop walk. And it brings you right down to a beautiful beach. Obviously, lots of people down here doing beachy things. That is quite spectacular. Different colour in the ocean. I probably can't pick it up with the camera, but it's looking quite beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Crystal clear water, beautiful colours. Right, we are now off on the Madja Botanic Walk. Yeah, about 1.2 k's. We're probably 8 k's down the road from Cape Tribulation. Oliver Creek.
Pretty. That's cool. That's fungus. Oh, that's not quite. Get him.
Yeah, that looks a big on here. It's got to be like 8 feet across.
Crazy.
Oh, that there's even bigger, I reckon.
Yeah. There's a couple here. But there's
Just
definitely water.
in amongst those roots.
Yeah, there's definitely water coming in though. You can see it going here, look.
Mm.
Tide must be coming in.
It's coming in quite quick, isn't it?
Yeah.
Munched, but they look quite pretty.